In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get free music to use in your YouTube videos. Friends, adding music is one of the easiest ways to make people watch your videos for longer. When viewers stay longer and enjoy your content, YouTube sees that as a good sign. And when YouTube likes your video, it starts showing it to more people. That's how your videos get more reach and even a chance to blow up. First, let me quickly show you why music makes such a big difference in your videos. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get free music to use in your YouTube videos. As you can see, music helps set the mood and keeps viewers interested instead of clicking away. Now that you understand why background music matters, let me show you where to get free music directly from YouTube. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by liking the video and leaving a sweet comment. So first, friends, go to your YouTube profile. Make sure you have at least one channel, because only then can you download free music. Now, dear friends, select the YouTube Studio option from here. After that, friends, scroll down on the right-hand side and find the Audio Library option. YouTube Audio Library gives free music and sound effects that you can use in videos without copyright problems. Some tracks need credit, while others are completely free. Now, friends, no matter how much you scroll down, the music never seems to end. There is so much music available here. This is not the end. Now tap this arrow and select 100. There is so much music here that you can't even imagine. If you want to play music, just tap the play icon and enjoy listening. And friends, if you like a song, you can tap the star icon to save it and listen to it anytime. At the top, you will find the starred option, where all your saved music is stored. And friends, if you want to search for any special music, a search option is also available here. And it doesn't end here. You can also find music by specific track title, genre, or mood. And friends, besides this, sound effects are also available that you can use for free. Now let's talk about how to download music and save it on your device. For this, friends, when you move your cursor over any music track, you will see a download option there. If the song is already selected, you can download it from there as well.